Our children are our future. Our society's prosperity depends on what values we instill in them and what education we provide for them. This puts a lot of responsibility on the shoulders of our educators. Times are also changing, and with changing times, the tools we provide our children must also change. Books alone cannot prepare them for an ever-changing future. STEM education, which stands for Science, Technology, Engineering and Mathematics, started in the United States of America 20 years ago. Since then, its importance for every student has become abundantly clear, with more than 80% of the jobs in the future requiring these skills. To provide the best STEM education for our children, Zephyr Toy Makers, the largest STEM toy brand in India, has introduced Blix Robotix. With 50 plus awards, including 2 National Make in India awards and the Best STEM Education Brand Award, Zephyr has a vast experience in teaching students about STEM through hands-on experimentation and play. Through Blix Robotix, Zephyr teaches kids from grade 1 to 8 on subjects like science, robotics, coding, IoT, while developing their skills like curiosity, creativity, and critical thinking. Kids will build robots, program them, and learn about the various technologies that our world depends upon. Topics like current, voltage, force, power, speed, etc. that our children learn in schools will be taught to them in a whole new way. So let's get together and work to give every child the right tools and experiences for the right kind of learning so that they can learn the right skills for life.